Hey there, Internet. I'm Chris, one of the androids behind Sea of Cinders, a science fiction sourcebook and original setting for 5th edition tabletop role playing games. Coming to you from a freezing cold, baby puke brown basement that somebody painted back during the Reagan administration when they thought that primary colors would cause communism. We promised a special reveal when we hit 750 followers on Twitter, and if you're seeing this, it means that either you guys have knocked it out of the park and gotten us there, or I misscheduled this post, and honestly, it's about 50-50 either way. But regardless, in either case, I'm thrilled to announce the Interstellar Cartography project, a community effort we're putting together to make more high-quality science fiction maps available to everybody. We obviously want to make running science fiction games at your table as easy and fun as possible, but we recognize that sci-fi gets a little bit shorted when compared to some frankly massive fantasy-themed properties that are out there that kind of dominate the space, and we decided that we're going to try and do something about it. So here's how this works. We pay awesome creators in the TTRPG community to create any kind of science fiction map that they want, or we give them guidance, or sometimes we just let them off the chain and see what they come up with. We add some of the maps that we're creating ourselves for Sea of Cinders. We put all of this up on our website, available to download for free. That's it. That's all of it. That's what we're doing. The maps will come in a variety of styles, depending on the preferences of each creator, and should be great for 5th edition, Starfinder, Rogue Trader, whatever other science fiction, science fantasy, futurist, or just sort of generally alien vibe, future tech, cyberpunk tabletop game that you want to play. And of course, it'd be pretty cool if, when Sea of Cinders comes out, you use our maps to play our game too, in our setting. That'd be pretty chill of you. I can tell you what to do, but like, that'd be cool. You guys seem cool. Right now, the other Chris and I are paying for this out of our own pockets. Which does put a limit on how many maps that we can commission from other creators in any given month. If you like where this is going, the best thing you can do to support it is join our Patreon for as little as $1 a month. You can help support this effort going forward and hopefully lead to more maps more frequently, and some other cool stuff we've got going on there. And of course, be sure to show the love to the different cartographers who have been awesome enough to decide they want to be included in this effort. All of their information will be available from the database once it goes live, and any other links they want to include. Basically, we're being pretty flexible. It's supposed to be a win-win. Patrons will get early access to the maps before they go live on the public site, and at certain points we may do special editions of various maps, night maps and different seasons and that kind of thing. Just as a special thank you to the patrons for helping us do this. What this really comes down to is us taking a gamble that this is a better use of our very, very limited budget than giving Mark Zuckerberg hundreds of dollars to not show our ads to your very confused aunts and uncles for 5 seconds a month. I'm kind of the one who pushed this bet forward, so it's got to live or die based on really community feedback and support and external validation and financial support. Yeah, so please validate that this was a good idea, because otherwise, I screwed up. I don't want to do that. So, really need y'all to prove me right on this one. Oh, this was an expensive screw up, but I think it's pretty cool. The maps look great. I'm gonna use them. You should use them. And of course, thank you to the 750 plus of you who are now supporting us on Twitter, which is wild because we've only been doing this for a couple of months, and the response we've gotten to Sea of Cinders overall so far has been fantastic. And Chris and I, the other Chris and I, really do appreciate it. And yeah, y'all rock. Cheers.